Cool. Okay, open it.
Gallery.
Yeah. What do you see right there?
I see. Oh, Daddy, this one's for you.
Look at that.
Santa. You can do it. Open it.
Just sit it right here. I'll open
What
it
did
in a
you
minute.
get?
Oh my gosh, another monster truck?
Who is it?
Jim Collar Avenger.
Down here.
Oh, I don't know what.
Awesome.
Oh, this is mine. You can open it. I hope it's. I hope
Okay.
I got a
Thanks.
monster truck.
Put it down.
I can't
Look, isn't this one right here?
I can't believe
Yeah.
I got two.
Zane,
Save the book.
look right here on the floor. Right there. That's for you, isn't it? Does that have your name?